with this new Keynote, they spoke about some new capabilities and features that they're introducing. On top of that is Canva AI 2.0, which I think is actually very good. Right now, you whisk together your conversational design, agentic orchestration. You want to create agents that will take actions on your behalf. For instance, if you are someone that maybe works on getting maybe market updates maybe every other day, you can actually tell an agent on Canva AI to do that for you, and it will build it up while you go to sleep. And then memory library means that it works based on what you've put in, and then you can also build on it. You can build on your memory. The more you add, the more it helps to make it more robust. They also have this layered object intelligence, which means that everything you generate now, you can actually edit them. And they now have Canva AI connectors that connects the apps that you use daily, for instance Google, Slack, Notion. So it helps to pull up things from those places and brings them into one place. Essentially what they're building for is to make sure that you don't have to leave the app to go somewhere else to get something done. You are able to do everything you want to do right within Canva. I think that's really very good. Scheduling is another capability, and not just content but tasks too as well. You can actually schedule some tasks on it to work overnight, and then when you come back you already have your answers. Added to this is also web research, which makes sense because you're able to pull what you need without leaving the app. They also have built-in brand intelligence now it just makes sense using your brand guidelines, and it's able to generate something to you based on your brand guidelines. They have introduced vibe coding into Canva 2.0. So with that, you can actually, create interactive websites for weddings, for events, for even just your hobbies. I think it's really good. And I see this helping with reports on data analytics, especially in marketing, and also helping to generate marketing insights and competition analysis. Also remember that it's still connected to your Canva sheet and all of that. So it's like a whole system woven into one giant system. Another thing they've launched today is the Learn Grade, which is an all-in-one destination learning content hub for educators and students. And it's not just limited to educators and students, because learning doesn't only happen in classrooms. It's open to everyone. I think that's a really good addition. Now they also have Canva offline, which means that wherever you are, you can actually work on your designs offline, and then when you come up online, it's a sync by itself. They've launched the Canva print shop, and this is so really cool because it's a way to print on items like t-shirts, poster cards. I already checked it on the Canva app, and they're already there, and they'll deliver it to you. Regardless of your level of proficiency, you can actually use Canva and build from there. I think everything they've imputed this time is actually a very good addition.